Let's do a quick demonstration of some capabilities of ChatGPT if you find yourself with some downtime and don't want to spend it playing games on your phone. You can just let ChatGPT know, hey, I've got 30 minutes until my next meeting. What can I do to spend it productively? Boop. Then it starts generating a list of things that you can do to be more productive than just doom scrolling or playing games or any of the other activities that people take on in their downtime. So we're already up to 8, 9, 10 items that we can knock out. So that's a quick little tip of what you can do with ChatGPT to help you figure out what's best to do in your downtime.